Hello, it's Marek. Welcome to M Drives and welcome to Inverness. This is where we're starting the last day of our 4-day Highlands trip. So we stayed here overnight and today we are going towards Caingorms, where we're going to go through some very nice bendy hilly roads which will lead us to Glenmore Ski Center. The population of Inverness is about 50,000 and unfortunately it's not very pretty. It feels very industrial. It feels like it's an industrial heart of Highlands. Anyway, too much about Inverness because we are now setting off to Cairngorms.
Indeed, the part of Inverness we stayed overnight felt like industrial estate. However, the other side of the city was completely different and very pretty. Within 15 minutes we got to some very pretty roads, taking us closer to Caingorms.
Spectacular as the rest of Highlands, but well, it's just a dream when it comes to driving. The roads here are amazing. They are more open. You go through a variety of woods and open lands with no trees, but most importantly the roads are wider. There's no stones on the roads like there are in Highlands. And yeah, it's just a dream to drive. So if you are doing North Coast 500 and you want to have some nice views and you also like driving, just ditch A9, drive through Caingorms.
When we saw this view, we had no choice but stop. So bumpy, this would be fantastic bit of tarmac. But we are now on the old military road. This is the road you're coming for, really, the main road of Caingorms, which is absolutely fantastic. And we are arriving at the first ski center today. So this bit of road is absolutely amazing. I first saw it about 6 years ago in Carfaction video when Harry Catchpole was driving the Aston Martin AMR Vantage here. The views from here are amazing.
When I was here for the first time, I remember it was still white around at the end of March. Absolutely adore every year. Driving through a shortcut which we always take over the main road because it's so much better. It is a single track road, but it's so picturesque and you can see 100 meters ahead, so you know it's just good fun as well.
Another stop to take in the beauty of this part of the world. Directly to Glenshee. It's absolutely amazing road. And we are here, we are arriving at Glenmore Ski Center. We're going to stop here, fly our drone, take some photos, and off we go. This is the last stop on our list, so from here it's just going back home, unfortunately. We're doing something I've never did before in this country, and we're using the lift chair system to go up the Glenshee ski resort.
This system was never in operation when I was here, so it's actually pretty steep. It's about 457 meters up from the bottom, so yeah, it's pretty impressive. Well, this looks absolutely incredible, and it looks like we're the only people here. Wow, never experienced these views. Amazing. We are leaving Glenshee and it was our last stop, so now the only thing which I'm looking forward to, it's behind this hill, and it's the amazing couple of miles of road going down this valley, so let's get ready. That bit, the road continues for another, I don't know, maybe 10 miles, and it's still very good road to drive, but obviously not with such dramatic views anymore, but you can still enjoy it, staying safe, staying legal. 60 is really plenty on this road. miles away from my home. So it's a good time to summarize our trip. I think the trip was brilliant. Yes, we had some rain, but actually whenever we stopped, apart from one beach where we wanted to go and we didn't because it was raining, apart from that one, wherever we stopped, it was not raining, so we were able to visit all the places we wanted. Apart from that, the average MPG from the whole trip, 30.1 MPG, so really decent one for a manual. 43.6 was the average speed. Again, that's not too bad considering that we spent a lot of time on single track roads where we actually were stopping all the time to let the oncoming traffic go. We covered about 1,300 miles, so we've done probably on average about 350 miles every day. So if you got to this point, I would like to say thank you for sticking around. Big thanks to my mate Wojtek for joining me on this trip, because without him I would be really bored and it wouldn't be the same. So thank you, Wojtek.
Thank you very much, Marek, for showing me Scotland.
And let's hope that next year, Arctic Circle, you join me again and we spend probably about 8 to 10 days together going through new unknown roads. None of us was ever in that part of the world, so it's going to be really interesting if we can make it. So thank you again, guys, for watching. Please remember, give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you shortly on the next trip. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. Do widzenia.